Now, this is a package I have been waiting for a while. It contains a few things, but I'm more excited about the cheapest product in this box, and I believe they all are in it. It's from, you guys can see, DD Hi-Fi. I have the new Nyx cable, NYX cable, and a few things with it. Do we have a seal? Yeah, sealed box. CZ300. That's their latest carry case, and it's the biggest product of this package. It's huge, very similar to what the effect audio case looks like, but instead of using leather, we have fabric material on it. You guys can see it's cloth covered and looks nice. DD Hi-Fi, Life and Hi-Fi. Nice. Let's open it up, and we should have some things inside it. If we look up about the case, we can place stuff in here. Things are kept comfortably inside this. These are the separators that can be placed like this. If you guys, I'm very excited about this. We will look into that later. Nice, not bad at all. So yeah, I like it. We get a lot of options here. We can, I believe, place this in between. Maybe I'm not exactly sure how this will work, but you guys can see this is fairly big, around I think 11 inches long and around 8 8 inches wide. So very spacious case. Looks nice too. We get a handle. Zipper quality is very good too. I like this. I really like this. Very, very convenient to be precise. So this is the CZ300. Let's have a look at the Nyx Pro. This is the flagship cable. Where should I open it? If we look into the specification, what we have 25.4 AWG core gauge and 4 strands of pure silver and 4 strands of copper. So yeah, silver copper hybrid, nice. Lids type 2, and this is modular. This is fairly modular, and you see Japan, nice. They are never shy of tech, and that's a good thing. Mm, good packaging, I must say. Wow. And this is their second case. I think it is CZ150 or something like that. And if this is the case that comes with this cable, I am very happy. Wow, wow! Look at the look at the case. This is exceptional, man. You can carry nearly everything inside it, and this is modular too. Nice, fantastic. Wow. You can place things in here, make partitions here, and there is a pouch too. It's not like you are not getting a pouch. These are the modules. These are the MMCX to Type C converters. Nice, fantastic. The set of accessories, just look at the set of accessories here. Oh, wow, mighty impressive, no doubts about that. And this is the cable case. Ooh, the star of the show here. Nyx Pro, priced at $500. This is not a cheap cable by a long shot. Now, what's happening here is that we are getting a slightly different kind of modularity here. It is not as straightforward as what we see with effect audio. There is a top ring and you have to open it too, pull it out. I'm supposed to pull it out and replace it with other modules that are part of this package. So yeah, this is slightly different than what we have seen with effect audio, but this is decent. I have no complaints about that. And if we look at the uh, modular jack, this too is fairly good in my opinion. Looks nice, looks very good to size. And 1 2 3 4, you guys can read. Slightly different placements of the probes. So yeah, this is good. There is no screwing in or screwing out, so perfectly fine with that. One of the most premium packaging I have seen with a cable, for sure. We are getting three cases and total modularity with the cable. We get modular jack, we get uh, modularity with the pin, and we get a lot of options. If we look into the options, there is MMCX. You guys can see MMCX, and this is long 2 pin. Okay, there are some IEMs that have a slightly uh, deeper sockets, so this is for longer 2-pin use, and that is perfectly fine, very good in my books. And here is the 3.5 mm jack. Fantastic. High quality packaging, high quality cable. Just look at the quality of this case. And the CZ300 is just outstanding, excellent, excellent packaging and excellent quality accessories with this IEM. The CZ300 is not included here. That is priced at I think $80, and this one is I think $50 and exceptional. Just look at this fox leather. I believe it's not real leather, but just look at the quality. Fantastic. So this is my unboxing of a handful of DD Hi-Fi products, Nyx Pro, CZ300, and this stuff. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy.